In today's video, I will walk you through how to link bank account in. To get started, you'll need to sign in to your Square account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main business dashboard, where all your payment and account settings are managed in one place. From there, head over to your account settings. This is the section where you control your business information, payment preferences, and financial setup. Inside Settings, look for the Banking section and open it. Then go into the Bank Accounts area, where your payout methods are handled. In this section, you'll see an option to link a new bank account. Select that option to begin the setup process. Square will first ask you to confirm that this bank account will be used for transfers and receiving payments. So take a moment to review that before continuing. After confirming, you'll need to enter your bank details. This includes your account number and any other required banking information. Make sure everything is entered carefully and matches your bank records exactly, since accuracy is important to avoid any issues with linking. Once your details are entered, move forward to the verification step. At this point, Square will check your information with your bank to make sure everything is valid. This process may take a short time depending on your bank's response. When the verification is complete, your bank account will be successfully linked to your Square account. From here, your account will be ready to receive payments and process transfers directly, without any additional setup needed.